Morning sunlight streaming through tall trees, accompanied by the harmonious creeping of birds. It's as if the forest is waking up with a song. Among the melody, the rain quail's morning voice stand out, soft yet enchanting. And nearby, a Durian Redstart is busy cleaning its feather, a moment of self-care in the wild. While a peaceful lake lies at the heart of the forest, perched on a tree, a monkey gazes at the lake lost in the quiet contemplation. A Limpkin, ever resourceful, feast on an apple snake, show causing nature's balance of survival. Meanwhile, a wolf watches with innocent eyes, a reminder that even a predator has a moment of calm. Red-throated pipit perches nearby, its vibrant plumage hiding an interesting fact. This bird is known for its long migration across the continent. As the fog rolls through the trees, we spot a kid fox with its playful babies. On a tree branch, the golden tanager brightens the scene with its radiant colors and soothing voice. The flowering crabapple trees blossoms in full glory, while the common blackbird sings sweetly. Nearby, an elk or a red deer grazes its quiet dignity. Our journey comes full circle as we return to the mother squirrel, still climbing towards her tree. Her determinations and care echo through the forest, inspiring us to appreciate the bond we share and the beauty of life around us. Thank you for joining us on A Bird's Animal and Beyond.